Welcome to the Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to replace videos on your Reels timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So let me show you how to replace the videos on your Reels timeline on Instagram. So first, you want to go ahead and open up Instagram. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here to post a reel, select reel, and now from here you can go ahead and select camera to record a video or select an existing video from your phone library. Then tap on next. Now you've chosen a video, however, you want to replace this video with something else, but you have already added all your text and stickers and you don't want to do this. Of course, the easiest way would be to start again. But now in Instagram Reels editor, you can replace the video without starting again. So to do this, you want to go ahead and tap on edit video at the bottom left. This will now take you into the video editor of Instagram Reels. Here you see the timeline. Now to replace the video, go ahead and tap on edit here at the bottom left. Now make sure your clip is selected and then tap on replace at the bottom. Now go ahead and select a video from your phone library. And now once you've selected the new video, it has replaced the old video with the new video. And there you go, that is how to replace a video on your Reels timeline on Instagram. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.